Hello friends, I am Rupam and welcome to Rupam's tutorial. Today I will discuss squares from 375 to 425 in few seconds in your mind. In a few seconds, that means very fast, in the easiest trick. And I hope you practice the sounds in the previous video and this chart because they are very helpful. Let's start. Let's take our first number. Let it be 382. Now, how do we square this number? In a few seconds. Well, I will show you how to. Firstly, the base for today is 400 and 382 is obviously 18 lesser than 400. As it is lesser than 400, we have to again deduct 18 from 382, which 382 minus 18 equals 364. Now we multiply this with 4, which equals 1456. Then we will square 18, which is 324. As it is a 3-digit number, we will write 24 with the number and add 3 to 1456. And 1456 plus 3 equals 1459. Then 24, and this is our answer. 145924. Now we will take our next example. The next number is 423. This is a different case scenario, and I will also show you the simplest trick to this, or the fastest trick that you can do in your mind. So the base is 400 and it is 23 greater than 400. As it is greater, we will again add 23 to 423. So 423 plus 23 equals 446. Then we will multiply this with 4, which equals 1784. Then we will square 23, which is 5 to 9. After this, 5 to 9 is a 3-digit number, so we will write it 5 to 9. We will write 29 next to the number and add 5 to the 1784 before we write 29 next to it. So 1784 plus 5 is 1789. Then we will write 29, and this is our answer, 178929. Now you can go on with this for any number you like, from squares 375 to 425. So thank you for watching. Bye bye. Take a lot of practice also. Bye.